I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you.
Hey guys, it's Braids here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own box braids at home, or how my family does it. So I have my mom and my sister who both know how to braid, and I'd say like we're all pretty equal within skill level when it comes to braiding. But a couple of years ago we tried this and we failed epically, and I don't know why we thought it was so hard. It's genuinely not that hard. Maybe it's because I'm constantly doing so many like hairstyles on my own head that it just it's just gotten easy for me eventually. But here I have all of my braiding hair. So the original color that I wanted was platinum blonde. So that's the color 613. And we ordered them off of the Rastafari. We call it Rastafari, but I don't know how to really say it. Like Rastafari. Braiding hair. We got it from this website. So I got this in the color 613 because I wanted platinum blonde all over my head. And then my little sister, when she was braiding her hair yesterday, she figured that maybe she'd made the parts too big, or maybe she'd used too much braiding hair. So she actually ran out and had to borrow some of mine. But my mom had one extra pack. So I'm going to be incorporating this color into random spots in my head so that it looks like it was, on purpose, even though I wanted my whole head to be platinum blonde. So that's how that's going to go. So the steps are, I'm going to wash and condition and deep condition my hair, and then put leave-in conditioner in it. Not too much, just a little bit, and then I'll go on about braiding and all of that, and I'll show you guys the steps and like how easy it is to do it, and how much money you're going to save just like doing this at home. All you have to pay for is the hair and the supplies. I'd rather spend 8+ hours on my head and do it for free. So that's where we are. So I'm going to come back to the camera after I've washed my hair and deep condition my hair, and you guys can use whatever products you want. I'm not really going to get into too many details. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube on how to wash and deep condition your hair. I might come out with one later after my YouTube channel grows, but it's still pretty small, so I'm not sure how much of my routine you guys really want to see. But yeah, I'll come back and check in with you guys after I finish washing my hair and deep conditioning it. Okay, so I've just gotten out of the shower and I have deep conditioner in my hair. I have no idea where the heck I put my cap at, so that's that. But this is what it's looking like. Here's my little struggle bun, my little curlies. My hair is a little bit longer than y'all think it is. Okay, let me just put that out there. I haven't straightened it in a couple years, so I don't know exactly how long it is, but I'd rather do a protective style than straighten it. So that's what we finna do. All right, I'm gonna go wash this out. All right, now that my hair is washed and drying, I'm gonna go ahead and section it off. Okay, so here I'm showing you my As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I'm putting that in my hair in a very small amount, not too generous, because you don't want to oversaturate your hair before it's going in braids. Then I'm showing you my Africa's Best hair growth oil, and I'm applying that to my hair as well. Once again, not too generous, and I'm just going to do that in each section and then comb it out and braid it up. Okay, so right here I'm just blow drying my hair to make sure that it's about 75% to 80% dry. We want to make sure that it's not too wet so it's not slipping while you're trying to braid it, which is also one of the reasons why I didn't add too much conditioner and oil. So yeah, and then in this next clip you're going to see that my sister has already laid out the pieces of hair that she'll be adding into my parts, or into my hair. So right now she's also going through and parting my hair, and then we'll get started. Okay, so this is where she finally begins braiding my hair, and she'll braid it until all of my hair is engulfed in the braid, and then she'll hand it to me and I'll finish braiding all the way down in order to save time. Okay, so here I'm just showing you guys how I prep my hair. I sprayed entirely too much water and it ultimately made my hair really slippery. But what you want to do is spray a little bit of water just to get your hair damp, and then you want to add a little bit of your gel choice. I chose Eco Style, and I added a dime size amount and I worked it through my hair. After that, I made sure to go in with my edge control, and I just put that around the edges of the part at the base of my hair. I then just took a bobby pin and pinned the extra hair out of my way so that I didn't grab anything extra. And then what you want to do is you want to kind of like just braid the hair into your hair using your hair as a third strand, if that makes sense. I feel like I'm showing you guys better than I can explain it. But each time that you make a move, so you move and then you pull, and then you move and then you pull, just making sure that it's tight to your head. And by move, I mean braid. So you braid one strand and then you pull, and then you braid another strand and then you pull. And then that secures it in the beginning, and then you don't necessarily have to pull anymore. You just do that in the beginning, and then you can just braid down. And then you will flip the hair around and bring it to the front of your body so that you can braid it better and you can see it better. And then you make sure that you split the braiding hair into your hair so that you have 3 equal braiding parts, and then you just continue to braid down. And you want to make sure that you add a little bit of edge control at the very end of your hair to make sure that your hair is sealed in and smooth so that there's no frizz at the end of your braid. Alright guys, so it's currently 5:53 in the morning. My sleep schedule has been beyond off, like off. Thanks a lot, quarantine. And screw you, Miss Rona. But we've gotten pretty far. This is what it's looking like. They're pretty long, so it looks like in the back. And they're really long, they are. Let me show you guys. Like, really. So, yeah. But I'm finally gonna go to sleep because I definitely have class at 9:15 in the morning. But I tried my hardest to finish tonight. I moved too slow. We moved too slow. We couldn't do it, so we're gonna have to finish in the morning. All right, good night, guys. Okay, guys, I just finished class while I'm in bed, and my mom and grandma just made breakfast, so I'm gonna go downstairs and eat breakfast and chill for a little bit, and then I will finish the remainder of my braids. I look crazy. My head looks huge, but whatever, it's fine because I'm about to be cute. Period. Okay, so here's a little clip. I just wanted to show you guys that I did most of my hair by myself. I just kind of sat in my room, watched YouTube, some of my favorite YouTubers. It's my grandma. And I just braided most of my hair by myself, and then after this I kind of went straight to my mom with only 10 braids left, and she said she'd finish them for me because I've been working really hard and my arms are tired. So, yeah. Okay, 7,000 hours later, I'm finally done. So, it took a while. I started around 9 o'clock last night. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 8 hours yesterday, and it took so long because honestly, me and my sister get distracted a lot. We took a couple of breaks, so that was that. But then today, I finished most of my head by myself, and then I had my mom and my sister help me around the edges where it's a little bit harder to like grip that part of your hair yourself, unless you're an expert. And then I just went in, I had like 10 braids left. I went in to my mom's room and asked her if she could help me. She said she would, so she finished the top part of my head. So this is the final look. But we're not done yet because we have not dipped them in hot water yet to like seal the ends. Like they're still like really loose. So after that, then we'll be done with the braids, and then I'll come in and I'll show you guys the final product and model for y'all. Also, side note, this is how much hair I have left. It's so stringy, it makes me so mad. It's not that much, but it's a decent amount considering the fact that my little sister ran out of hair and my mom had an extra pack. I had probably a little bit less than my mom, but a lot more than my sister. So yeah, that's that. So I'm just gonna take these and twist them up with each other. It's so messy. And like fold it like that and just kind of like fold it back into the bag of hair. And then it just slides right in. Fold that all the way down. So now we have extra hair. I really like light colors. It's because my hair is dark and I don't want to dye my hair, so I just get fake hair. Then it's not damaging it. So there's that. All right, I'm going to clean up and dip my hair, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys. Okay, so here I'm just tying up half of my hair into a bun so it can be out of the way. You do it in about 4 sections. And then here I'm just prepping my cup. It's a metal cup, so it's gonna be pretty hot. So my mom gave me this idea that I could just tie paper towels around it or tape paper towels around it. So I'm gonna wrap it around the metal cup and then she's going to tape it for me. And then after that, I'm showing you guys the finished product, and then you're gonna pour in your boiling hot water. And then you are going to make sure that you braid down every single strand that you see that you think is a bit too loose in it and is gonna unravel in the future, to make sure that they're all secured. Once you're finished with that, then you can go ahead and proceed to dip. Okay, so the method is dip, pull, dip, pull, dip, pull. So you're gonna dip, you're gonna pull out, you're gonna dip more, you're gonna pull out more, and then you're gonna dip one last time and get as much hair in there as you can. Like you're almost putting your head in the cup. And my mom definitely needed to help me out with this one to make sure I didn't burn myself. So I advise that you, if you're gonna do this, don't try it your first time at home by yourself. Like make sure that there's somebody to help you to make sure that the cup doesn't tip over and burn you. It's really dangerous. So yeah, just dipping and pulling, and then while you're pulling out, you want to make sure that you're squeezing the braids with the towel to make sure that you're getting any excess water so it's not dripping on your body. So yeah, and that's the finished product of dipping. So we've come to the end of this video. If you've watched this far, I deeply appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to share it with your friends. But yeah, if you like me and you would like to see more content from me, comment what you want to see down below. On top of that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, sis. If you want to see more, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post next. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see